Here we go.
Oh, nice. Oh. Got it, Ron?
Yep.
Nice one. Oh my goodness. Daddy, Ron. Nice one, brother.
Yeah. Take another cast. He hit twice. All right, so we're at it again this morning. Hopefully we'll see some fish again.
I got a good feeling.
See what's gonna happen. Big rain washout coming midweek. I don't know if I'll stick through it or not, but we'll see what happens.
On the board, ladies and gentlemen. Same over here.
Oh, there's all that fish down. Get him in. All right. That's a nice specimen.
Male right there.
Well, he has to be because I had no action in here. Did you grab that beater out of there?
I think it's heavy.
All right,
Here comes the
folks.
murder, ladies and gentlemen.
It's pretty dead.
Oh, that's a nice one. 22, 23.
Yeah, not nearly as rotten as those others. Oh, yeah, he was never getting off.
That's a good eater right there. It's a little dark, but it's not
Okay. There's another one in there. Keep hitting it.
Did you even gut the last zombie?
No.
I was just curious if they were all males. When I was up 2 weeks ago, all three of the cohos were probably females. And then today, and yesterday, we got 4 cohos and 1 male.
Okay, so let's get a better picture on this guy. Much better looking fish than the 2 yesterday that I caught.
Oh, yeah.
Another nice fat coho. That'll be a great smoker. What do you think? You got your tape handy?
$23 and a half.
23 and a half. What a beauty. Glad to have that one. That's the kind of smoker fish I was looking for, not those zombies. And although I don't think there's probably anything wrong with eating some of that we had, when I started gutting it, it was undeniably unpleasant.
Yeah, even your cooler smelled bad.
Yeah, I wanted to rinse. I should have rinsed it off at the fountain. Yeah, here's that nice coho again. A little red, but still plenty fresh. That fish is completely fresh. Big male with a saber-tooth snocker. So awesome. Those big teeth on that guy. But yeah, it's a killer fish. And he's slimy.
Yeah, this little hole is where I pulled my coho out of up here. fresher. Sweet. Did you say you had a hit?
Yeah, don't go up over there.
Bash this dude's brains in somehow. Actually, let's go back over here. Bring your bonking stick. Quit rolling around, would you? Ouch. Hey. Might I borrow your bonker? Nope.
You need to use one hard ground, wipe that off with a towel. You gotta use stone or rock or tree stump, something like that. That one.
Do I have to like push the button or something?
No, you gotta pound straight.
There we go. Huh? Get her in there. Ron's just like, finally, it's his turn. Yep, I'm fairly confident what happened to us is we got early bird wormed this morning. Somebody fished up the old manhole to the bridge. The old bridge didn't get this far. Didn't go downstream either. That's my theory. Shameless corporate plug. Best thing about trout fishing in November, salmon fishing, obviously, besides the salmon, this is the season of celebration. I shall celebrate my salmons.